I've just finished V1 on my consultant engine. This is actually running my go-to-market RevOps package. So the idea with this is that the engine itself is flexible. It can be run using various packages. The package really is kind of like the brains that actually runs inside the engine. So this is the go-to-market RevOps consultant. You could also run a finance consultant, or an operations consultant, or a technology consultant, as you wish. But anyway, this is, like I said, the go-to-market RevOps consultant. You can click to talk to an advisor. In this case, the advisor is 100% digital. So this is running an AI agent which is trained on the specific nuances of go-to-market RevOps. This one is plugged into demo data. The real version obviously would plug into a client's own data. And this is a journey through the discovery of what go-to-market really is and what a company's status is regarding its go-to-market. Like I said, you can pop open the chat at any time to dive in. But the journey is sort of twofold. There's the quick discovery to score your current status, ask you anything, which is kind of like your go-to-market expert. There's a deep assessment, which goes across the sort of deeper across the organization, and live dashboard that tells you what's going on. So in the Ask Me Anything here, it pops open, it forces open the chatbot, but you can see, it's suggesting things that you could have a conversation about. Could you want to talk about your pipeline, your conversion? You can start a conversation about any of these suggested topics, or just start one generally. You can pop this guy open. I've got a talk version as well.
Hey, so what's on your mind?
I've actually used 11 Labs to give it a British accent. It's actually cloned to my voice, but you can clone that to your own voice as well.
One sec. I apologize, but your message seems a bit unclear.
Well, there you go.
It sounds like there might be some text.
So I'll just tell him to be quiet for a moment. We can go over to a text version as well. I've actually trained, like I said, the AI here to know everything about go-to-market. Specifically, it knows about your business's go-to-market. So I can ask about churn risk past month. It's going to go away and tell me what's going on. So based on metrics, churn rate is at 12%, warning sign. It offers to dig in to what might be driving that. So yes, let's dig in. And it's going to go and look through that data again and identify there are a couple of issues here. We can then go and explore why. And of course, we can always ask the question everybody really wants to know. Is this the fault of one person? Anyway, so this conversation goes on. And then at the end of every conversation, it gives you a summary, which you can keep. The system keeps it as well. Back to the kind of discovery page. Like I said, you've got this quick test here. I also preloaded it with some demo data, just so you can see what that experience looks like. You get your assessment, key findings, revenue at risk. My God, this is very good. Oh.